I got this 3-tier floor standing corner shower organizer because I will show you guys in a little bit and you will see how my shampoos and conditioners were sitting on the floor. So I definitely needed some space to organize them. Now this one over here does come apart, so you are going to need to put it together, but it's not that hard at all. I actually did it myself, and let me show you how it looks once you have put everything together. Now you even have the suction cups in the back, so you can attach it to the wall so it stays in place and it's not moving around. So I really like that. It also comes with hooks, that way if you want to hang your loofah, your scrubbers, or anything that you want to hang in those hooks, you have the ability to do that. Now the entire shelf is right around 27.7 inches tall by 10.8 inches wide. I love how I'm able to organize everything here, and I also enjoy the fact that it has little holes, so that way the water doesn't sit there and creates any mold. It drains pretty well. Mine is in a color white. It's also available in different colors as well. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.